Hi guys, Teresa here. It's that time of the month again where I share to you guys my monthly favorites, and this month has been a hectic month because it's the month where everyone transitions to the online transactions and everything. That's why the first one in our list is this one. I had this for a very long time already, but it's just now where I've been using it almost every day. This is my Benro tripod. I don't know the code of this one, but it's a Benro tripod. Super ganda kasi I can use it for shooting, vlogging, and for online things. So this is the first one in our list, a tripod. At dahil nga puro online na tayo, we've been in our laptops or iPads for so long. So we have neck pains or back pains usually. So I've been using this Aroma Mint Spray from the Garden Shop in the Garden of Morning Calm in South Korea. So this has the feeling na parang, hindi ba pag nagsalon pass kayong malamig siya. This one, when you spray it in your back or wherever, parang nagsispread yung lamig ng mint niya. So I really love it. This is my second bottle. Ayan, kaka-start ko pa lang sa second bottle. So, this is my secret for all body pains recently. So, thank you so much that I have this. But pag naubos na to, hindi naman tayo makakapunta sa South Korea ngayon. The third and fourth thing in our favorites list is for my health. And here, the third one is this one. The supplements that I got from Puritan's Pride. I'm actually drinking this one. The collagen and the C500 mg vitamin C, and this one's for my mom. This is the omega-3 fish oil. My mom and dad is taking this one. So there, I got some supplements in Puritan's Pride. And what I like about Puritan's Pride is their supplements are very affordable, guys. So I really freaked out when I saw C500 in the Lazada sale. So I got it already. And I also got the zinc supplements from Puritan's Pride, but it's still not here. But their zinc supplements are very affordable. And zinc is pretty good for your immune system. So I think people should know that they should take zinc supplements. Fourth one on our list is this one, Arla's Organic Low-Fat Milk. Recently, I wasn't allowed to have dairy intake, so I said goodbye to my milk. But now that I'm back to drinking milk, I chose to drink something organic because there I'm trying to minimize all my dairy intake. So I chose something organic. The fifth thing in our list is part of the health products din yata kasi it really relaxes me a lot. This one, it's the coffee candle from BearEssentialsManila.com. So they have an Instagram account, it's Bear Manila. So look at this one, guys. Wala na siya, ubos na siya. Hindi na nga namin mabuksan kasi wala na talaga yung ano niya. May time lang na tinatry kong sunugin yung side niya para mangamoy lang yung room. So, yun. Ang ganda na amoy kasi coffee, guys. And pag sinindi mo siya, yung pagka-coffee niya, parang amoy ng, ano kasing crackers yun? Hansel, para siyang Hansel na mocha. So, I really love it. Ang himbing ng tulog ko pag sinindi ko to before sleeping. Grabe. I think I have to purchase a new can for this one. The sixth thing in our list is a skincare product. And I'm not really sure if I shared this already, but I'm sharing it again because I purchased a new tub. This is the Joan Day and Night Cream by Neogen. And I really love it. This is actually my third purchase ever since Joan Kim released her Joan Day and Night Cream. And I really love it. But before, I was using this every morning and every evening in my face, but now I just use it every morning in my face and every nighttime in my neck and everything here. I'm thinking of purchasing my fourth tub because, guys, it's halfway already. This is just new, guys, but it's really pricey, so I'm still thinking about it. But I really love the product, so I think I'm gonna end up buying a new one. The seventh thing in our list is something that I'm watching. For the past months, I've been sharing K-dramas. But for this month, I'm gonna share a Korean reality show that I've been watching. It's Coffee Friends and Yori's Bed and Breakfast. Yori's Bed and Breakfast is available in Netflix. And if you're a traveler, you're really gonna like this reality show because it's a backpacker's house. So just watch it. It's really nice. And the second one is Coffee Friends. I'm really a coffee lover, a cafe lover. I find different cafes everywhere. So it was really relaxing for me to see everyone in Coffee Friends. So watch the reality show. I really recommend it. It's very relaxing to watch it. And the artists there are very funny and real. So I really loved it. The remaining items in our list are the things that I've been using when I'm going out because our family has been working. So So we have to go out and go to the office. So these are the things that I've been using for this month when I go out of this house. Whenever everyone goes out now, everyone's wearing masks, right? And I really love this mask from PNR Health. It's Air Queen and Airborne. They are Korean masks, and what I like about them is that whenever I wear my glasses don't moist, and that's when I know that everything's really secure because no air is going out of my glasses. My Canon just died, so we're here in the Sony. So there, the 8 thing on our list are this mask, Air Queen and Airborne mask from PNR Health. I already used the Airborne mask and I have my last mask from them, the Air Queen mask. And I really love this mask because it really looks like the one that Koreans are using in South Korea. So you feel like you're in Seoul. And guys, it's really comfortable and you don't need to worry about wearing your glasses even though you're wearing a mask. So I really love this. I need to buy some more because this is my last Air Queen and I don't have any Airborne already. So there guys. The next one in our list are these shoes from Prima Donna. They are slip-on heels and I've been abusing them lately because we're not really fixing our face and everything because we're wearing masks. So I'm really preparing for my outfits lately and I've been using my slip-on heels because they're easy to put and I'm ready to go. So there, I've been using slip-on heels from Prima Donna. Not only those two, I have more slip-on heels outside and they're all from Prima Donna. I love Prima Donna because their items are very affordable and it's really comfortable. The last thing on our list is this bag that I got from Taiwan. It's a cloth bag so I can wash it every now and then, especially now that we're really conscious about our environment and our bag is something that touches any surface out there. So there, I love using my cloth bags lately and I love that this one is very handy and it could fit anything. My laptop could fit there and I love it, and I think I got that for a very affordable price but I don't remember how much. So there it is guys, that's it for our July favorites. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you enjoyed it, go back to my other favorites because I've been sharing products that I really love and I've been sharing some things that you can do, you can watch or anything in my previous favorites videos. And now it's time to say goodbye. I'm really grateful for seeing you again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!